When Tyson Fury were going back and forth on Twitter, you told him his singing was more entertaining than his fight. Tell me about that.
Well, you know, actually I told him I'm gonna sing to his wife after I beat him. You know, but you know, Tyson Fury is one of those guys that bring excitement to the sports. You know, with the singing, with the press conference, dressing as Batman, and different things like that. We need that in this sport. You know, people remember it. If they don't remember nothing else about him, they'll bring up for years and years. You remember that guy, you know, that did this and did that. So I think it's exciting for the sport, and I'm looking forward to, you know, he said after Klitschko he want to fight me, and I wanted to make him promise that 2016 you will face and fight me once and for all. Let's get this over and done with.
So you got 5 girlfriends.
There you go. I'm looking forward.
When you say
King Kong, you know, really nothing. You know, what I've said before. You know, and the things I've said before. You know, we all know that with the testing and stuff like that, and you know, he did a great job. I think they had a great job his last fight of the preparation for the fight of fighting Brian Jensen. I can't give him that. I acknowledge when I see a job well done, and he displayed a great talent, and they did a job well done. So I definitely have to congratulate him for his fight, and like I said, for all of them. All of them, I'm looking forward to finding. If he's the next guy people want to see, you know, after I handle all the rest, I'm looking forward to finding him as well too. For things about me, the best things I like in boxing, the best guys I like to fight is southpaws and guys that like to pressure me. So by him being a southpaw, I love to face him.
When you say you can get on Shpoka's level, do you expect a dirty, kind of chippy type of fight?
Yeah, most definitely. Most definitely. And, you know, I think he's going to wear himself out. I'll give him 2 rounds. I give him 2 rounds, and then after that, he's gonna wear himself out. He's gonna mentally drain himself. He's gonna emotionally drain himself because he got the Polish fans. He's gonna be here, so that's another pressure on him. Then trying to get my belt, that's another pressure on him. Then he acting out. You know, it's all signs of nervousness and acting out, and that can be emotionally draining. This guy's gonna be drained before he even fight, and then when he fight and lose, it's gonna be an excuse. I train too much. Well, of course you have. You know, it's just a mental thing. You know, that's why I'm able to do what I do and come back to myself, because I understand as a fighter how important that this is the most well-respected belt in all of boxing. Let's face it, it's the WBC. And he wants this. He wants to make his country proud. It's going to be a big community here in the Polish community, and he wants to be the first.
Do you ever see Golota-Bo fights?
Yeah, almost definitely. Come on, you hear about them all the time. You know, and you know, so I'm looking forward to it. That's why we gave him the opportunity to fight and to break this curse of 115 years. We needed something. We needed something that's going to be ranked. We needed something that's going to be tough and that's going to come and fight. I think this fight right here, he's going to show the best of Artur Szpilka. Forget all the rest of the fights. I think he's going to show the best because of what lies on the table. He never had something this big of a risk, this prize that the risk and the great rewards afterward. So I do think he's going to bring a different more than what we're usually seeing. He's going to be a little bit more tougher. He's going to bring a little bit more to the fight, and that's what I want, because like I said, we're breaking the curse, and this is the history of heavyweight boxing right here, established in New York, and I'm looking forward to putting my name in history. Like I said, they invited their country friend to break this curse.
2 more questions.
Deontay, how do you feel about the fight?
Like the mustache, by the way.
Thank you, I appreciate that. How do you feel about approaching the fight? Are you going to go in a little bit cautious and careful and box on the outside? Or are you going to be aggressive and try to take away his momentum?
Well, you know, I think I just showed a lot of things in boxing, especially obtaining the belt and defending the belt. So, you know, I've said I want to go back to my 4 rounds and under with the knockout. So, you know, I'm going to feel him out, and I'm going to be smart, but I'm going to feel him out. I'm feeling like I want to be want this to be an aggressive fight. I know he's going to be aggressive, and I want to show him that what you can do, I can do better, kind of thing.
Any predictions on a round for a knockout?
4 rounds or under.
4 rounds or under.
That's what I'm going with.
Beyonce, you're in a
last
fight.
question.
You got to have somebody to back you up in this room. Fighter, just anybody, like the whole little scrap you had yesterday. Who backs you up? Who would you pick to be your teammate?
To be my teammate?
Yeah.
Shit. How would my bomb squad at? Okay. Well said, baby.
All right, that's
From the South, baby.
Thanks,
Let's
guys.
go with Kevin Garnett.
Kevin Garnett.
Yeah. Deontay.